are ready. This is your power hobby. Retro Bracket 2. Cameras are ready. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Alright, the classic Tamaya versus the new Blockbuster. Oh, big trouble for the Blackfoot. The Team Clutch gonna keep that win. Moving on to the second round.
Alright, Jacob and Mad Max, Troy and Midnight Rider. Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light.
Jacob.
Mad Max is going to take the win. Alright, we have Kyle, Bigfoot 4, Troy, Mile High Crusher. Cameras are ready. Drivers are ready. Watch the light.
We got the Chris and Kyle rematch up here. The classic 1980s battle. We got Bigfoot versus King Crunch. Cameras, are you ready? Drivers ready? Watch the light. Nice jump to do stuff here. Wow. Good easy race. Oh, it's right in the middle. And he's going to jump. Bigfoot. Man, it's always a bloodbath when those two get on the track. You gotta watch out. Cameras, are we ready? Cameras ready? Watch the light. Alright. Oh, we're going to have to take some white. Oh, who's under? This is on the roof. That beautiful new vehicle. Oh, man. Here's how she goes. Can't have nice things, my friend. Alright, cameras. Are we ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Nice. We're going to this so far. And moving progress. Looks good out there. Cameras, are we ready? Drivers ready? Watch the light. And the big jump to big jump forward. Light is right there now. Bigfoot. Shooting through. And Bigfoot forward. Going to make it to the final. These guys have been the top of the class of retro this year for sure. Alright, we've got Sam versus Kyle. We've got Bigfoot versus Team Williams. Cameras ready. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Alright, good jump to these two trucks. So the better team than Team Williams at the first turn. And Sam, Team Williams, knocking off Bigfoot 1. Making it to your retro Colorado finals. Alright, got Sam with the leap in progress, coming to the line, and Bigfoot 4. These two drivers keep battling head to head all season long with the retro trucks. We're going to make it to the finals against the Team Williams. Alright, cameras ready, drivers ready, watch the light. First jump to Bigfoot, really tough in the middle, but they're okay. Bigfoot can do a little lead, and Bigfoot can take out the lead truck. Decent progress, looking strong. A brand new vehicle out here. We've got Sam with Team Williams versus Bigfoot 4, Kyle. Kyle. The final round brought to you by Homes Hobbies, Contact and Market, Grassroots Fab. Keep those trucks to the line. They flip the coin for the lanes. Looks like they're switching lanes up a little bit here. All right, Bigfoot in the blue lane, Team Williams in the red. This is your finals. Cameras ready. Watch the light. All right, here's the time for these two trucks in the boat block markers. Big jump into Bigfoot. Oh, Bigfoot tumbles and gives it to Sam at the end. That was a wild, wild race. This is for your overall event day winner. We had a 1-in-1 winner in mini class. Now we've got 1-in-1 winners in retro. This is for the finals. All right. Cameras. Are we good? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. It's the time of the race. It's not so far. Oh, it's up again! Sam and Steve Williams.
All right, mini class 2, brought to you by Contact Market. Drivers are ready, cameras are ready, watch the light. Smashers, Troy in the yellow, Austin Collins going to take the win. Up next.
There you go. Make sure you guys' lanes are even. All right. Cameras, are we ready? All right. We have Ryder versus Darren. Two Max Smashers on the line. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Nice jump to Ryder. Oh, he dumps it again. And it looks like Darren's going to keep it nice and smooth with Old Blue and move on to the next round. Drivers are staying for the show. All right. We've got Mike versus Jacob. Gunslinger versus Mini Energy. Ford battle. Cameras ready. Watch the light. Oh, big jump with the Mini Energy. Good whole shot. He's going to hold on to that lead for sure. Jacob goes through.
We meet again. We meet again.
All right, cameras ready. Drivers, be ready. Watch the light. And Troy flips it. Ryan pumps him over. Ryan,
that wasn't a first
time. Taking the win.
Did I cross? It doesn't matter.
All right, Brendan and Ryder. Winner faces their dad in the semifinals. Cameras ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. And that looks like Brendan getting the win.
Yeah. Drivers, are we good? Cameras, are we ready? All right, we've got Jacob versus Darren on the line. Watch the light. All right, Mini Energy versus Old Blue. Mini Energy with a bit of a power advantage. And Mini Energy. And Mini Energy moves on to the finals. That's 2 final rounds in a row for Jacob here. Let's see if he can take a victory home.
Come on, Brendan!
All right, do we get a repeat performance in the finals, or do we get a new finalist? Cameras ready. Drivers ready. Watch the light. All right. Looks like Grade Digger is in the show. And we're going to give that to Grade Digger. Market, mini class, final round. Jacob versus Ryan. Cameras ready. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Just a really close down. Oh! They're 1 for 1. Jacob gets it with a winning energy. You guys want to have a race off for overall? This is for bragging rights. You don't have to record this here, this is good.
Record everything.
Okay. Alright. So we have a 1 for 1 final here. So we're going to race this one to settle it. Cameras ready? Drivers ready. Watch the light. Alright, good jump so far. Good tight turn here. Oh, great thing to put mini energy. Gonna take the win for the day. Jacob, staying on top of mini class.